guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a cup in a blouse. So this is our upper block, like you've done your upper block and we just want to fix this cup into our upper block. So what you are going to do now, the first step you are going to do is to identify the midpoint of your cup. So you can go ahead and measure this way just to have your midpoint. So my midpoint is around 4.5 inches and I'm going to mark it at this point. So you just measure your midpoint. So my midpoint is 4.5, somewhere around here, and I'm also going to mark it this way. This is 7 and I have 7 this way and I have 3.5. So it simply means that this point here is my midpoint. So this is the middle of the breast point. So what we are going to do now is, this is your lining or whatever you want to use to turn your blouse. So what we are going to do now is to, at our lining, okay, or what we are going to use to turn it, you identify where you have your bust point. So you can see this way. Our bust point is this. You can see the effect where it comes up. So what we are going to do now is to place our cup this way. So you identify this midpoint. You just hold your midpoint this way. You can go ahead and bend it or use like a pen to mark it also at the other side. So you have your midpoint. So what you are going to do now is to fix in a pair of thread and needle. Fixing a pair of thread and needle. So you place this midpoint at your bust point this way. So you place it at your bust point this way and you just stack it. So you can see that I bent this bust point cup. You can see it's bent. I didn't sew it up all the way down. So I'll just go ahead and tack it to my bust point. So you can give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Now the difference between making use of a bust of a cup and using your bustier is it actually depends on what you want to work on. So for this now, I'm working on a wedding dress, and the best that fits in a wedding dress is actually a cup. So you just stack it as much as you can, and while you tack it, you can see it doesn't our tacking, you can see that our tacking doesn't appear on this side. Okay, so you just tack it gently. So give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Drop your questions or your topics down below. So I'll go ahead and tack this. So after that, what you have to do now is to take your upper block, try to fix it on it to check if it actually stays properly. So like you're just trying to test run the cup to make sure it's at the right point. So once you've done that, the next thing you have to do now is to go ahead and secure the 4 edges. Next thing you have to do is to go ahead and secure the edges. Okay, so what I'll just do now is to tack this point, tack it at this lower side, secure it at the 4 edges so it doesn't shake off. So I'll go ahead and do that and show you guys what it looks like. So while I'm tacking it, like I said earlier on, it depends on what project you are working with. So you can use this ready-made cups and you can use a wording like you want to patch the bust. However, the difference between the two depends on what you are working on, like I said. And another thing you need to take note of is that this there are some cups that comes like half cup and there are some that come like in form of a round shape. So whichever cup you are working with, the same method also applies for it. So Join us on Facebook, Sewing is Fun by TD Designs, and on Instagram, Thank God Designs. You can join us for trainings. Trainings are available. So while you're attacking this, make sure you secure it as much as you can, and also like a neat finishing, okay? Because that is also very important. So guys, after tacking it, this is what you have. So by the time you push this in, and the advantage of you tacking it on your lining first is why I prefer it on my lining instead of tacking it directly on my fabric is like it kind of give me, I just love the effect of it. That's for me anyway. You can do the same, you can apply the same method directly, you can fix it directly, but in this case where I've ironed my stem to my fabric, it might be difficult for me to actually figure out where I have my center line. So what I'm going to do now is just turn this lining, like just to turn the upper block with this lining. So I'm going to go ahead and sew it all the way around, just to turn it and show you guys what it looks like. What you have, by the time you've turned it in, you can see your cup sitting this way inside, and look at what you have for the front block. So your cup curves out this. So guys, this is what you will have. So you can see your cup falls exactly where your bust is, and your cup also falls in. Now turning it to the back, it gives you like a form of neat finishing. So all you just have to do is to go ahead and iron. You can see your cup sits exactly at the bust region. So thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe.